Hello, Taylor.
Hi.
How are you this evening?
Hold on 1 second.
No, Taylor, don't go. I miss your voice. Don't put your boyfriend on the phone.
Who is this?
Pierre.
Who?
Pierre Le Thomas. Pierre.
Oh, okay.
Your friend Sydney knows me. Me and Sydney.
Yeah.
Me and Sydney go way back.
Okay.
I came here to offer you modeling contract.
Okay.
Would you like to hear it?
No.
Okay. I want you to model
I said no.
in front of... Listen to me. I want you to model in front of...
I thought you stuck your own
Actually, you know what? I have no offer. I want you to be naked behind Todd Graves Jr. while he is naked.
Can I speak to Sydney?
Sydney?
Yeah.
Sydney is not with me. Sydney is modeling with me tomorrow. Oh! I have a better idea. I want you and Sydney to model nude together. And Clifford. I want you to be with Clifford, the big red dog. I want you to do oral on him. Taylor, what do you think of my offer?
No. You're stupid.
Taylor, you're so sexy to not be modeling. How can you not be modeling?
Why are you an idiot?
I am no idiot. I'm the smartest man in the business, honey. I am fashion extraordinaire.
Alright, call me back with an unlocked number.
Honey, I don't like stalkers. I do not get